Thai coconut curry soup with udon noodles. Cut your chicken thighs into pieces. Salt your chicken. Quickly cook your chicken. Mince ginger. Mince garlic. Cook that for about 30 seconds. Thinly cut carrot. Thai curry paste. Mix that all together. Add 2 cans of coconut milk. Add some chicken stock. To a food processor or blender, add some cilantro, Thai basil, a little bit of our stock. Blend until smooth. Add that into your broth. Fish sauce, lime zest, lime juice. Season with salt to your liking. Udon noodles, chicken and carrots, and add your broth. Scallions, and some cilantro. And that's how you make Thai coconut curry soup with udon noodles.